Here are the top stories at this hour from the Sentinel. Protests in Margherita opposing Northeast Coalfields closure. Massive protests erupted on the streets of Margherita opposing the decision to shut down operations of Northeast Coalfields. Northeast Coalfields is a unit of Coal India. Protesters, mostly employees of Northeast Coalfields, said the move would leave at least 2,000 people jobless. The decision to shut operation comes amid rows surrounding coal mining in Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. 2 weeks total lockdown in Mizoram. Mizoram government has decided to impose a 2 weeks total lockdown that will come into effect from midnight tonight. The decision was taken during a consultative meeting chaired by Chief Minister Zoramthanga. The Chief Minister informed that owing to the sharp spike in the number of COVID-19 cases in Mizoram, the quarantine period has been extended to 21 days. Manipur, Meghalaya, Goa tops food security. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, or FSSAI, has declared Goa, Manipur and Meghalaya as the top 3 states for ensuring food safety and security. The Apex Food Safety Regulator of the country has ranked these 3 states under smaller states category. Among the larger states, Gujarat topped the tally, followed by Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Guwahati-based NIPR signs Memorandum of Understanding with Hindustan Antibiotic Limited for PPE kits. National Institute of Pharmaceuticals Education and Research, or NIPER Guwahati, would be developing personal protective equipments. NIPER Director USN Murthy informed that the institute has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Hindustan Antibiotic Limited. The MOU would be for large-scale industrial-grade manufacturing and commercialization of 3D printed antimicrobial face shields. The institute has also filed both an Indian design patent and provisional patent at Indian Patent Office, New Delhi. Places of worship, hotels to remain shut in Nagaland. Nagaland government has decided to keep places of worship and hotels in the state closed till further orders. This has been done due to rising number of COVID cases in the state. And here is an update of the number of COVID cases across northeastern states. Assam has 2,776 positive cases. The number of deaths in the state has gone up to 5. Tripura registered 53 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the overall tally to 803. The state reported its first death. Manipur has 172 cases. The number of COVID positive cases in Nagaland stands at 112. Arunachal Pradesh now has 49 positive cases. Meghalaya reported 2 more cases. The number now stands at 36. Sikkim has managed to hold on to its tally of 3. And with that, it's a wrap of this edition. Thank you for listening.